It's an early Thursday morning at Sacramento International Airport, and it's time to head east to my girlfriend Hope's home state of Maine for her 30-year class reunion. This is Eddie on the Go. I haven't been to New England since my early teens. Will it be any different this time? Maine, vacation land, or its newer catchphrase, the way life should be. There is so much natural beauty here. The coastline is rugged, and so are the people. With so many rhododendrons, you would think that this would be the state flower, but it is not. That would be the white pine cone and tassel. I know, that's not even a flower, but hey, I didn't make the rules. This is what a week in Maine looked like. Sit back and enjoy. Brunswick, Maine's cool little city. That's its nickname, and it works for me. It's a town I can picture myself living in. Not that there aren't any other places in the state that I couldn't adapt to, but I generally like it here. It has a nice small town vibe and plenty of character. Brunswick sits in Cumberland County within the Lewiston-Auburn metropolitan area. Originally settled in 1628 by fishermen, the area was then called by its indigenous name, Pajepscot, referring to the long rocky rapids of the Androscoggin River. The Androscoggin Swinging Bridge is a pedestrian suspension bridge spanning the Androscoggin River between the towns of Topsom in Sagadahoc County and Brunswick in Cumberland County. This 1892 suspension bridge was built so that the French-Canadian employees of the Cabot Manufacturing Company cotton mill, who lived in Topsom on the other side of the river, could get to and from work quickly. The bridge was designed by the same firm that built the Brooklyn Bridge in New York City. Brunswick Landing is the redeveloped site of the former Naval Air Station Brunswick. It is now a business park and innovation hub, and home to over 150 companies, including businesses in aviation, aerospace, biotech, IT, and clean tech, and is home to institutions like Southern Maine Community College. But we came for the beer. In our next episode, we visit Bath, the city of ships, where we attend a class reunion, do a little window shopping, have some cocktails on the Kennebec River, walk an old cemetery, meet some of Hope's old friends, and more. Tune in, won't you? If you found this video enjoyable and/or useful, please consider liking and subscribing because it helps with the algorithm. We appreciate you. Until next time, Eddie on the go, and Hope, out.